quietly empowering the people. The Black Secret.
And these sources, when you put them together, tell us that the Songhai Empire was the rise and fall of 61 kings. These kings began to rule in West Africa from the year 690 AD, and they continued to rule right up until 1595. These 61 kings ruled as part of three dynasties: the Zhuo dynasty, the Sunni dynasty, and the Askia dynasty. Of these 61 kings, we have good detailed information on 1/3 of them, approximately 20. And that enables us to tell a very detailed history, and it enables us to fill in other gaps that will essentially detail the rise and fall of the Songhai Empire, telling a story every bit as grand as when Europeans talk about the Roman Empire. As ever, if you want more information, click on the link below to subscribe to our course and join the most powerful Black history course ever put together, aimed at a global audience.
The Black Secret.